Hi everyone, I'm Stuart Swann. I'm based in the UK and I can't believe that 2026 will be my 5th InnovateEDU conference and my 3rd time in the fantastic city of Cape Town. I have over 30 years experience in education, and during that time I've been a primary school classroom teacher, a local authority advisor for computing and ICT, and an independent consultant working with students of all ages, their teachers, their schools and educational companies including Apple and Lego. During 2025 I was fortunate enough to be a content writer with the team at Lego Education and help develop the brand new Lego Education Computer Science and AI. And I'm thrilled that you're going to be the first teachers on the African continent to get your hands on these kits in these workshops at InnovateEDU 2026. In the workshop Hands-on Learning with Lego Education Computer Science and AI 8+, teachers of upper primary will be able to get hands-on and explore this fantastic set. You'll work together to explore how computer science concepts can be taught in core classrooms in practical and collaborative ways. You'll work in small groups, you'll build and interact with models that let you explore coding and artificial intelligence in playful ways that make learning fun, engaging and meaningful. These experiences will be very similar for colleagues in lower secondary in the workshop Hands-on Learning with Lego Education Computer Science and AI 11+. So if you're teaching students that are 11, 12 and 13 years of age, this one is perfect for you. And again, we'll be exploring coding and AI in a playful, engaging and meaningful way. In my 3rd workshop, we'll go further and deeper with the AI features of these sets. This workshop's perfect if you teach upper primary or lower secondary, and we'll use both 8+ and 11+ sets and see how your students can not only use AI, but get creative with it and really understand how it works. My last workshop will use the brilliant Lego Education Science and is a new one for Cape Town. This workshop will put you, whether you're a primary or a secondary teacher, in the shoes of your students, and you'll work in collaboration to think about, experiment with and explore your science curriculum through building, testing, tinkering, iteration and inquiry-based learning. So whether you want to explore science or computer science and AI, whether you're a primary or a secondary teacher, we've got a workshop for you. I can't wait to get there in May and to meet new colleagues and see familiar faces. So until then, stay playful and I'll see you soon.